Hey everyone, welcome back. Every picture you generate in ChatGPT and every photo you upload to it gets saved in your library, and that pile builds up fast. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete images from your ChatGPT library on Android, how to clear out a whole batch of them at once, and where they go afterwards. Because deleted doesn't quite mean gone straight away. Let's get into it. Swipe up from the bottom to open your apps. Tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and tap the app to open it. Now tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open your sidebar, and tap Library. This is where every image lives, the ones ChatGPT made for you and the ones you sent it. Give it a second to load them all in. Now look at the top right corner of the library. There's a three-dot button. Tap it, and a menu drops down with Select, Upload Files, New Folder, Grid, List, and Deleted. The one we want is right at the top. Tap Select. The header changes to Select Items, and now every picture has an empty circle in its corner. Tap the pictures you want to get rid of, and the circle fills in with a tick. I'm tapping these two duplicates. Notice the counter at the top keeps track. It now says 2 selected. Then, at the bottom left, tap the trash can icon. And ChatGPT asks you to confirm. Delete items. 2 files will be moved to deleted and permanently deleted after 30 days. Tap Delete, and they disappear from your library straight away. Now here's the part most people miss. Open that three-dot menu again and tap Deleted. This is recently deleted, and it says Restore files you've recently deleted. Files are deleted forever after 30 days. So if you delete something by mistake, it's still here for a month. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT, tap the menu icon and go to Library. Tap the 3 dots in the top right, then select. Tick every picture you want gone, tap the trash can at the bottom, and confirm with Delete. Do that with all of them if you want to wipe the whole lot. And remember, they sit in Recently Deleted for 30 days, so you've got a month to change your mind. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.